Honestly, ngayon na lang yata ako ulit nakabalik dito sa Glorieta.
Ay, welcome.
Oo, pero childhood ko to. Dito ako tumatambay pag nagbi-VTR ako sa commercial dati. Dito ako nag-aabang ng terminal ng bus. Kaya medyo core memory tong Glorieta. Tapos palagi kami kumakain dyan sa McDo.
Oo, very iconic ating McDo dito.
Yes, oo.
Hindi na siya gumalaw. It's always been there. Very iconic.
Ever since.
Yes.
Iconic?
Yeah.
Which one is iconic?
The McDonald's here.
Yes.
It's been there ever since we're very young. So, same spot pa din
Core
siya.
memory talaga.
But how about you, David? How's life? How's everything? Kumusta ka naman?
I'm really good. I'm so happy to be back here in Manila. I just came from a vacation.
Welcome back.
Yeah, thank you. So when I'm back to work, I'm happy to be here. Of course, with Barbie and with McDonald's. And yun din, Glorieta. I think it's been a while since I last came here. Alala ko, kasama ko yung lola ko before. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami, kumakain. So yun, and then I'm also happy to see the fans. Hello.
O, diba? May point kayo dyan, guys. May point yan. And I love it, no? Very, pasabungan yung comeback sa Glorieta.
Oh,
It's been
yes.
a long time.
With McDonald's.
Yes.
Full circle, no?
Very full circle for the My McDonald's Rewards launch. And we're so happy nandito kayo because this is such a big moment. Because I'm sure, pati kayo, alam niyo naman yung importance ng loyalty. And of course, you know, having this kind of celebration for McDonald's. So, we want to know, of course, for you, what was it like working with McDonald's and being, you know, being able to work with such an iconic brand like McDonald's?
Well, yes, I have to agree with you. It is indeed a very iconic brand. So honestly, nung first shoot namin for McDonald's, aminin ko na-intimidate ako kasi hindi ko alam how they would be with us, how they would treat us, ganyan. Kasi nga, McDonald's sila eh. So parang sabi ko, shucks, kailangan, I really have to bring my A-game talaga kasi they entrusted us with a brand, ganyan-ganyan. Sobrang cool nilang lahat! Tapos parang tuwang-tuwa kami ng team namin, parang, sige, kasi sa literal na McDonald's talaga kami nag-shoot. So parang, sige, just order everything, it's on the house. My gosh! Childhood dream come true ko yun! Order everything sa McDonald's! Oo. Tapos parang naalala ko pa noon, nung time na yun kasi medyo I wasn't really feeling well. So parang, ang comfort food ko talaga noon, naalala mo, di ba? Yung caramel sundae tsaka large fries. Yun talaga, favorite combination ko talaga palagi. Naalala mo? Yun. So grabe, sobrang cool nila ka-work. Sobrang babait. Madali silang kausap. Kumbaga parang madali nilang nakukuha yung gusto nila in terms of the shots, yung mga ganyan. So ang bilis. Ang bilis lang namin nag-shoot nun.
So very specific yung combo mo, no? Caramel sundae with fries.
Yes,
Anybody here, caramel sundae din? Fan nila? Fan?
Oh, see? Diba?
Oh, madami. With
Heaven.
fries. Specific eh, no?
Heaven.
How about you, David? How was your whole experience working with McDonald's?
Well, I must agree na iconic naman talaga yung McDonald's. So, I'm really grateful to be part of this, along with Barbie. But syempre,
May pagulo.
may naalala lang ako.
Ay, may memories.
Yeah, may naalala lang ako. But syempre, fries.
Fries talaga.
Fries talaga.
Oo.
Kasi now kasi, every time na we are working, laging may french fries. Diba?
Oo, totoo yan. Mahilig ka ba talaga sa french fries ng McDo?
Yeah, with ice cream.
Ay, so same kayo.
Same lang kami. Yeah.
Oo. Chemistry, diba? May point yan.
Siya sa akin noon, nakitikim siya kasi parang first time yata yung combination ng sweet and salty.
Ay.
Kasi siya naman mas ma-meat, ma-chicken siya sa McDo.
Chicken nuggets talaga.
Ayan,
French
oo.
fries.
Yung pala yung go-to, no? Pero yung sweet din yung
Yes.
gusto. Ay, gusto natin yun.
Dessert,
Sweet.
ano muna, kain muna din dessert.
Tama. Well balanced, right? But if you had to describe McDonald's in one word, what word would that be?
Honestly, rewarding.
Ay, tama. May point yan.
Talaga. And just recently, I wrapped up my shoot for my latest film. Yun talaga agad yung naisip ko right after. Sabi ko, Daddy, try ng McDo. Order ako ng Oreo Matcha McFlurry tsaka large shake fries. Barbecue. Ah, sarap!
Specific talaga, no?
Oo, pinost ko yun sa IG story. story ko. Like, it's sarap, gano'n. Ni-reward ko talaga yung sarili ko kasi ang sarap eh. Tsaka yung accessibility niya, yung availability niya kasi, ang dali eh. So, yun talaga isa sa mga perks ng McDonald's. Talaga.
Tama. Especially if you have the McDonald's app. Yun talaga.
I know. Yun nga yung maganda doon. Kasi with the McDonald's app, unlike kapag kunyari may food delivery app ka, di ba? You don't get to redeem or parang get your points. So, pag exclusive talaga sa McDonald's app, makukuha mo lahat yun. With the same services, tapos alam mo pang quality kasi syempre McDonald's yung magde-deliver sa'yo, diba?
Oh, diba? Yan, ganyan talaga yung sa Barbie, no? Galing! But how about you, David? What word would you use to describe McDonald's?
Comfort and love. Diba? Kasi love ko to, lalo na pag kasama siya.
Ay, sino siya?
Ano daw?
Pag lalo ko kasama sino? Ay,
Siya.
May siya.
siya. Sino siya?
Siya ka na namin
Ay,
kasama.
oo. Tama yan, tama yan. O, diba? May point ba yan, guys? Kaya natin to. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. May point yan. Tama. Oo, go. Feeling ko, I feel like a lot of us have very fond memories with McDonald's, especially nung bata tayo, ever since we were children and throughout our childhood. So kayo ba, may mga childhood memories ba kayo with McDo?
Ako, naalala ko dati, yung mga mayayaman kong kaklase nung elementary ako. Sa McDonald's sila nagbo-birthday. Tapos kahit hindi ko naman masyadong gusto yung classmate ko, dahil lang may play place, sumasama ako. Dahil lang makikita ko may mga mascot, tapos may play place, may playground sa loob, sumasama ako. Kahit hindi ko masyadong yung classmate ko. Yun. Tapos syempre libre yung chicken. Pagka birthday party kasi lagi yung chicken tsaka spaghetti. Ganun. Tapos may ice cream na naka-cone pa. Favorite ko yung dati ng bata ako.
I love it. Don't worry, Barbie. Magpapaparty tayo sa McDonald's for you, di ba? The McDonald's will have a party for Barbie. Don't worry.
Thank you po.
Oh, ikaw ba, David?
Siguro yung 86236, di ba? Pagkatawag ka sa telephone, mag-order ka ng McDo, di ba? I would usually order chicken nuggets with barbecue. Dalawang barbecue lagi kong in-order. And large fries. Tsaka yung 2 pieces chicken. Kasi di ba yung crumbs ng fried chicken ng McDo, nag-stick siya sa rice. Tapos salagyan ko ng gravy, gano'n. And then, ano pa ba? Yung kiddie meals din. Growing up, di ba? Yun yung inaabangan
Happy
natin,
meal.
di ba? Yeah.
Gusto ko specific. Alam mo, sanay si David mag-order. Alam niya yung number. Oo, specific talaga siya, no? So, sa telephone talaga, no? Pero ngayon, it's so much easier because we also have the app, of course, which is the McDonald's app, where they can have the My McDonald's rewards. So, with every bite, every meal, may point. Yan. So, I want to know, ano man yung message ninyo to everybody here sa lahat ng fans na excited makita kayo, especially dito sa My McDonald's Rewards launch.
Ako po, at siguro another core memory with McDonald's that just happened recently, together with my friends from Barbie Natics. Nung birthday ko po, last July, nag-organize po sila ng outreach program. Doon ako nag-celebrate ng birthday ko together with McDonald's sa Child House sa Quezon City. Sila po ang nag-organize na kitang-kita mo talaga yung saya sa mga ngiti ng mga bata nung nakita nila ang McDo. Kasi very iconic talaga yung McDo eh. Alam nila pag McDo parang, masarap ang chicken dito, marap spaghetti dito, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos parang lahat sila, excited sila kumain lahat. Tapos meron pa kaming mga party hats na may McDo. Kung napanood niyo po yung sa social media, core memory po talaga yon. And I'm just so happy to be part of that memory with McDonald's and with my friends from Barbie Natics.
Yes, Barbie Natics, mag-ingay! Diba? Very demure.
Thank you guys. I love you.
Thank you so much. Yes, how about you, David? You have a message to everybody who showed up here today also to join us.
Thank you so much for being here. Alam natin ang holiday and for you guys to spend your time here with us today and McDonald's. Maraming salamat. Sana ay galingan niyo sa trabaho and after this, kain tayo sa McDonald's.
Yes, but now, before we go actually, are you up for a little game?
Game.
Game na game.
Sige,
Magpa-fast talk. Padali na.
Okay, fast talk.
Fast fast talk lang.
Okay.
So, ready na. Siyempre, alam niyo naman yung parang mag-fast talk, di ba? Pipili lang kayo. Ay,
Okay.
very competitive.
May timer ba to? Wala
Bakit
naman.
ako din?
Wala naman. Okay,
Ako din. Magiging competitive din ako. Okay, ready? Fries or McNuggets?
Fries. Ay.
Sabay kami.
Oh, go. Go.
Fries.
Okay. Nuggets.
Okay, don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate. Okay.
Okay, Sunday or McFloat?
Sunday.
Sunday.
What flavor?
Ako, ngayon, McFlurry pwede ba yun? Yung,
Or
yung
Sunday.
matcha. Or pag Sunday caramel.
You also
Ganun
have...
din.
Hot
Pinatry niya sa
Sunday.
akin last time.
Oo, tama. Okay, next. Large fries to share or BFF fries para sa sarili?
Large fries to share.
Pwede bang large shake fries?
Wow, specific!
Oy, favorite ko
Anong
talaga yun.
flavor?
Barbecue.
May mga barbecue shake fries ba dyan? Sa France?
diba?
Yeah, shout out to you. Ako din.
Yes,
Favorite ko din
actually,
barbecue.
ang saya kasi ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mo, di ba? Like, you put it in the bag, you put the
Tapos,
fries, you
ganun.
put the powder.
Oo.
So, parang gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung experience na yun before you get to eat the actual fries.
May activity.
Yes.
Experience. Oo,
Pinagpaguran bago makain.
Yes.
I love it.
Delayed gratification.
Yes.
Okay, next. Drive-through date or dine-in date?
Drive-through.
Ay.
Oo, parang drive-thru
Drive-thru.
din ako.
Gusto ko pinag-isipan
Parang
mo
mas
pa.
masaya ako. Drive-thru, tapos magpa-park lang din doon.
Ay, sweet!
Oo, para talagang mas intimate. Kayo lang dalawa sa car. ganun.
Oo. Pagkwentuhan, gano'n.
Yeah.
Mas maganda sa Tagaytay kasi malamig doon eh. Di ba yung branch na McDonald's sa Tagaytay? Ang ganda ng view.
Yes!
Yun sana.
Period. Oo, gusto ko yun. Okay, now you guys know. Yun, ganun pala. Okay, love language. I'll order for you or share tayo?
I'll order for you.
Talaga? Okay lang share tayo.
Share tayo.
I'm the type. I would share.
Very well balanced ang Barda. Gusto ko yun. Okay, next. Who orders first, Barbie or David?
Nagpapabebe kasi ako. Kahit kaya ko namang umorder muna.
Paano?
Nagpapabebe. I let the guy order first. Parang, sige, what are you gonna get for me? Ganun.
Gusto ko yun.
Tapos parang, sige, original chicken. Spicy.
Mahilig ka sa spicy chicken McDo.
Oh, spicy.
Do you have any spicy chicken McDo fans here?
Yes.
Anyone?
Wow!
Ako din.
I love it.
We love it. Okay, next. We have, who is more likely to eat the last fry? Yung jahe pizza.
Si Barbie siguro.
Si Barbie. Is that a resounding yes?
Ako. I'm a bit of both kasi gusto ko yung crispy tsaka gusto ko yung medyo soft na.
Oo.
So yeah, I can eat the last fry also.
Okay, next. If Barda were a McDo order, a la carte or value meal?
Value meal.
Value meal, bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi kompleto kami together.
Wow! Ako parang a la carte ako.
Oh.
Kasi parang gusto ko siya lang.
Ay!
Isa lang.
Grabe! Loyal kasi tayong lahat. Loyal! At dahil dyan, may point kayo dyan. Oo. But honestly, who takes longer to decide their order? Barbie or David?
Parang parehas kaming decided na, no?
Yeah.
Alam
usually
nila.
pag tatanungin ko siya, ready na siya.
Paborito kasi namin talaga is may go-to order na kami talaga.
Yeah. Ano nga yung go-to ko?
Ang nuggets, sabi mo. Tama ba? Nuggets. Tapos yung chicken, sabi mo kanina. Tapos rice. Tapos...
Ang dami.
Oo, ang dami. Para sa kanya lahat yun, Oo.
Period. Kasi
This is
masarap.
nuggets, actually.
Ayun.
Masarap naman
Ilan?
talaga kasi.
10 pieces.
10 pieces nuggets. Oh, wow. Isa yung lahat.
Protein. Oo, yun
yeah,
talaga
yeah.
yan. Okay, the bigger flex. Libre mo siya with points or libre ka niya with points? Kayo naglilibre or sila yung nanlilibre?
Libre namin each other with points.
Actually,
Wow.
yun yung bigger flex doon na parang equal share.
Yes.
Kasi parehas kaming may app eh.
Totoo.
So, diba, flex namin parehas. Kaya mo kung ilibre with your points, I can also treat you with my points.
Oh, di ba? At ngayon, dahil may My McDonald's rewards na pwedeng-pwede mo na ilibre
Yes.
with points. So thank you so much, Barbie and David, for giving us that fast talk. Once again, do you want to just say thank you to everybody and give a message to everybody who joined us here today?
Maraming salamat again for coming here. And of course to McDonald's, thank you so much for entrusting us this prestigious ambassadorship, you know. So thank you so much, and sa lahat din ng mga nandito, the media, the influencers, social media content creators. Thank you so much, and sa lahat ng mga nandito, sana ay kumain tayo sa McDonald's mamaya.
Ayan, ako naman po gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for spending this holiday with us, with McDonald's, to celebrate this event. Maraming salamat po. Again, we do encourage you to please install the app. Napakadali po niyang gamitin. Makikita niyo doon yung mga limited offerings nila. Tapos meron doon restaurant. So parang ma-track niya kung nasan ka. Tapos makikita mo yung mga nearby McDonald's na wala sa ibang food delivery apps. Kaya isa lang yan sa mga perks ng mismong McDonald's app. And syempre, the rewards, yung points talaga. Kasi every order may points ka eh. Hindi ka talaga titipirin ng McDonald's. Talagang laging may point yan. So sana ay you get to support and install the McDonald's app. Thank you so much.
Yes, and straight from Barbie na yan So if you do not download the app, I don't know. Yun na talaga yung sign ninyo. But once again, everybody, Barbie, Forteza, and David Lecampo.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. Ayan. There you go. Konting picture. Ayan. Thank you so much. Once again, Barbie and David Lecampo. Perfect! So guys, narinig nyo straight from them that the McDonald's app has so many things that you guys can, of course, enjoy from obviously ordering your food, but now the My McDonald's rewards with everybody